Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to upload salaries in HR Tech. So, in here, I will not be too much detailed about discussing the procedure because basically the procedure is almost the same with other uploading process like uploading of employees and logs. No? So, be sure to watch those videos before you watch this video, because in here, I'll be concentrating on the Excel file itself and the errors that you might encounter in uploading. So this is actually the Excel file that you need to upload. It's located in CHR Tech and it should be salary XLS. Okay, so it is composed of employee code, effectivity date, salary type, other compensation type code, monthly rate, daily rate, and hourly rate. Now, all of these columns are required except for the other compensation type code, which is actually conditional. So you will only fill this when the salary type is other compensation, because if it is other compensation, you need to specify what is the type of that compensation. Okay, so when this is other compensation, this should not be blank. Okay, so as I was doing on my previous videos, I created some errors, so for you to know how to resolve them. Okay, like here I put XXX on the employee code, and then effectivity date I made it blank. Then on the salary type, maybe I will put this don't know. Okay, so this is again intentional. Let me save that. And then here I put 002, which is other compensation type code, which is actually a valid code, but I put it on the basic. I didn't put it here. It should be here. And then okay, monthly rate is okay, daily rate is okay, but on the hourly rate I put XYZ, which is not correct because this should be a number. Okay, so let us now see how to upload the file, and the errors that we might encounter. So let us close the file now and run the uploader. Now to run the uploader, of course, we go to the uploader and then double click the exe file, and then we are now on the command prompt. Now on the command prompt, we will type upload salary, then enter. Okay, so as expected, we have an error. Okay, so to see the errors, we will go to CHR Tech and then upload logs and then this file. Okay, so these are the errors that we encountered. Like on the first row, it says invalid salary type. Okay, and then there is invalid employee code in row 3, which is actually I put XXX. And then effectivity date must not be empty, so you saw that already. And then compensation type is not applicable in row 3, which is actually referring to this file, I mean this column here. So compensation type is not applicable. This one is, because this one is basic. And then on the other error, it says compensation type must not be empty in row 4, which is actually this one, row 4, and it's blank. It should not be blank because it is other compensation. And then of course on the last one, which is this critical error, and then it says input string was not in a correct format. So if you look at it, of course it's not correct because it should be a number rather than letters. Okay, and that's it. Actually these are just repetition because actually I already have done this before, so this is just a repeat. Okay, so don't bother about that. So let us now correct the Excel file itself. So this one we will remove this employee XXX, and then here we will put the effectivity date, which is, let's say, 03/01/2019, and then here we will put basic. Then this one we will put it here, and then remove it from here. Okay, and then this one we will put the right hourly rate, which is actually equals to the daily rate divided by 8. So this is 9.615 4. Okay, and then we will remove this, and then save. Okay, so let us now run again the uploader, so for us to see if it is already successful. So I will type again upload salary, then enter. As you can see, the last message is uploading was done successfully. So if you see this message, that means there was no problem in uploading, so we can now confirm it in our HR Tech. So if we go to HR Tech and then payroll salary, actually those salaries are for Nana and Chopra. So we will filter it to Nana, search. So this is Nana. So as you can see, if we go to the Excel file itself, okay, you'll see that Nana is on this one, the 008. So its salary type is basic, and then it is 3,000, and then 1153.846 and 1442308. So for simplicity purposes, it is only rounded to two decimal places. Okay, but internally, of course, it is 4 decimal places. Okay, now the other one is for Chopra. So we will filter it for Chopra, search. So as you can see, there are 2 lines. So the first one is these 2. Okay, this is for Chopra 009. So it is other compensation, and then 002 is actually the rice subsidy. Okay, and then here 2,000, 76.92, and so on. So as you can see, we successfully uploaded the Excel file of salary. Okay, so if you have any question, just put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.